You're on.
Hi, I was just bending over and I feel a little faintish. We're out here, the wind conditions are not bad. See that? It was
What are we
better.
here for?
Okay, the wind conditions.
What are we here for?
Oh, what we're here for is
Because nobody cares about
we
the
have a
wind
test
conditions
plane.
without knowing what we're here for.
we have a test plane to fly a camera in the air. Oh shoot, it's getting windy.
Apparently there's a lot of planes anyway.
Come over here and take a look at this. Okay.
We're recording on the camera that's on the plane is already recording, so we really need to get.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I got that. So this is going to be horrible, but okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, now. Oh, you're already going. Okay, you're not even. Oh, you're going the wrong direction. You're going the wrong direction. You're going the wrong direction. Okay, are you slowing it down? Slowing it down, there you go, there you go, you're crashing, Okay, what are you doing? I don't even, good job.
All right, that's it. I'm not gonna try this again. Steve, I need more practice on the flight simulator.
All right,
here we go.
yours works a lot better. Wow, awesome, awesome. You're up there for a long time. Wow, good job, Steve. You're doing good. Your plane is working good. Oh, let's see. There it is. Okay, bring her down. Let's go. Where are you? There you are. All right, here we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you? Where are you? Damn it! We're having trouble keeping track of you. Okay, okay. Oh no! Whoa!
You almost crashed into the car. Okay, Steve. Don't tell me you want to do this more.
No, I'm done. I was trying to get a really close shot of us.
Yeah.
But I didn't realize I was getting so close, so.
And then we'll find out the damn camera's broken.
Probably. All right, that was fun. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.